Hello, Chef here once again in one of the kitchens tossing together a recipe. I thought I'd share it with you. What do we have here? Oh yeah, beautiful sunflowers. Sunflower seeds are harvested usually at the end of summer and the fall. It's good to incorporate some of them into your diet. It's healthy, gives you protein and some nutrients, good vitamins, natural vitamins. To fortify the protein, I'm adding some peanuts, but you can use any nuts you like to. If you want to really spend money, get pine nuts or macadamia nuts. But anyway, here we go. I'm making a quick pesto. I thought I'd share it with you. So this is going to be a small pesto, not a big batch. I'll start with 2 cloves of garlic right here. And of course, to peel them, I prefer to just smash them with my knife. That's the way the chefs do it. Follow along. Here we go. So I got the garlic. I got fresh basil. This was picked from the garden this morning. Yeah, how's that look to you? Nice. You can almost smell it through the camera. Ooh, yeah. It's already been cleaned and dried. Moving right along, pesto is so easy, and you should make it. It's really good for you. The basil's really good for you. It's going to help your health and your diet. You should make it once in a while. It's pretty simple. So here we go. The step number 1, garlic goes in a food processor, and you want to get the best olive oil you can find. Okay, this is the good stuff right here. Product of Greece or by Italy. Olive oil extra virgin, first cold pressing. The real deal. Avoid the blends. It's a bunch of crap. It's overpriced. You don't know what you're eating or where it's coming from or what they're doing to it. Who knows? So we start with a little bit of olive oil like that. We put the lid on there, grind up the garlic. Garlic's looking good. Next ingredient, it's going to be the nuts. Oh yeah. Yeah, you know about the nuts. They all like the nuts. Okay, doesn't matter if you go with the peanuts first or the sunflowers. They all go in. Nuts are in. Grind it up. Oh yeah, looking good already. Now we add some more olive oil. Generous amount like that. We grind it up. Oh, looking good. It's the beginning of a pesto right there. I like to add extra salt myself. This is pink Hawaiian salt. Love it. And then I put a generous amount of basil in there. Never put your fingers in the food processor. Words of wisdom from the chef. I've met people that have lost fingers. It's not fun. So use something like the back of a wooden spoon. Get it down in there like that. Yeah, never ever put your fingers in the food processor when it's plugged in. If it's not plugged in, it's still dangerous. The blades are really, really sharp. Here you go. Blend it up. Oh yeah, looking good. I think I want a little more basil in my pesto here. Not too much, but basil is the #1 ingredient in a good pesto. That's it. Okay, olive oil, probably #2. And then your nuts or whatever else you want in there, #3. There we go. This is almost done. You want to get the best Parmesan you can find too. There are fakes out there. I wouldn't eat that stuff, not even if it was free. You want to try to get the real Parmigiano Reggiano. By the way, this one here has been aged by the chef. This is like 10 years old. Wow, it's tough stuff. Goes in the grater like this, and we grate it up. Oh, so hard. Yeah, just like that. Oh yeah, and we're gonna scrape the container here a little bit. Get all the ingredients down in there. Blend it one more time. That's an Italian pesto right there. Oh yeah. Little tasting. Wow. That is really good, let me tell you. It's going to be amazing on the pasta, and I'm going to toss a plate together, show you my presentation real quick. This is a vegetarian meal. It's good to eat a vegetarian meal once in a while. Totally meat-free, vegan, and cleans you out. Okay, and here's the pasta that I made. This is a penne. Really good pasta is tossed together. So for that, I'm going to put a touch of olive oil here. I'll put my pasta right in. I like pepper. Oh yeah, she will too. There we go, a little pepper. I also like to add some shallots sometimes. Here's some diced shallots ready to go. Yep, looking good. This is the pesto that I made earlier. Goes right in. I'm going to toss it together. One tablespoon of cream fresh. Right in the middle like that. Cream fresh is just going to make this a creamy pesto. Oh yeah, that's going to be good. Okay. That's it. Okay, here's a little bit of this pesto that I made. I just wanted to show you the consistency. You can move it around the plate a little bit, kind of make it even. Really, really nice. Love the color. Bright green, natural basil color there. Okay, I'm going to put some of my pasta. We're going to put it right down the middle. Okay, we're going to garnish with a little bit of fresh basil. And of course, we're going to have a little bit more Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. And get cooking. How does that look, by the way? I think it's going to be good. Be sure to click that little like button and subscribe right down here. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. And if you need any of these awesome knives or sharpening stones, by now you know where to get them. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching.